Welcome. Today we will create logo image trending AI image for free. Let's go! Open the Google search engine or the one of your choice, stylar.ai. You need to wait about 6 seconds to log in, then log in with your account. We can choose several styles for our image. On this occasion, we will click Logo Design. Write or paste the prompt. I left in the description example. Click on the Create button and wait for the result. Wait, we know you want more, so let's give life to that creation. Go to Google, search for dynamo.ai. Upload your image here. Leave me in the comments what you would like to create together. And wait for results. Cool, right? Subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.